Well, there's still no trial date for the man accused of assassinating a Minnesota state lawmaker and her spouse. Today, lawyers said there's still a lot of evidence to go through. Caroline Cummings was at the court hearing for Vance Boelter today.
Inside the federal courthouse in downtown Minneapolis, a routine hearing for 58-year-old Vance Boelter, who faces 6 charges for killing former Minnesota DFL House Speaker Melissa Hortman and her husband Mark, and wounding DFL State Senator John Hoffman and his wife Yvette at their homes in the early hours of June 14th while impersonating a police officer. It took 40 hours before he was arrested in what officials call the longest manhunt in state history. He's pleaded not guilty and faces state charges too. In court, Assistant U.S. Attorney Harry Jacobs said the government was, quote, substantially completed with its discovery, and there is a lot of evidence. Manny Atwell, Boelter's federal defender, said among what they've received from prosecutors, 130,000 pages of documents, over 800 hours of video, and 2,000 photos. It took 110 hours just to download the data, she said, and that's still in process. She said, quote, that's not unusual for a complex case, but it is a lot of information for us to review. The judge extended the deadline for defense pretrial motions from January to May. As a result, there will also be another status conference hearing in February. The judge also asked for a status update on seeking the death penalty in this case. In response, prosecutors said they don't yet have a timeline and that they are giving it the care and concern that it needs. The U.S. Attorney's Office here can recommend the death penalty or no death penalty in this case, but ultimately the final decision rests solely with Attorney General Pam Bondi. In Minneapolis, Caroline Cummings, WCCO News.
On a separate note, the International Association of Chiefs of Police is reviewing law enforcement's response to the night of the shootings. Several agencies will pick up the $430,000 price tag for that report.